Mental health services in India. National Mental Health Program NMHP during the 7th plan period to ensure availability and accessibility of minimum mental health care for all in the foreseeable future, particularly to the most vulnerable and underprivileged sections of population. Mental illness has been included as one of the disabilities under of the persons with disabilities, equal opportunities, protection of rights and full participation Act of 1995, which came into force on February 7, 1996. Objectives of National Mental Health Program. First objective, to ensure availability and accessibility of minimum mental health care for all in the foreseeable future, particularly to the most vulnerable and underprivileged sections of the population. Second goal, to encourage application of mental health knowledge in general health care and in social development. 3. To promote community participation in the mental health services development and stimulate efforts towards self-help in the community. Mental health care services. What are the services? Going to learn. First service, District Mental Health Program DMHP, training of mental health team at identified nodal institutions, increase awareness, reduce stigma related to mental health problems, provide service for early detection, treatment of mental illness in the community, OPD, indoor follow-up services. 2. Modernization of state-run mental hospitals. 3. Upgradation of psychiatric wings of medical colleges, general hospitals. 4. Manpower development scheme. 5. The Central Mental Health Authority CMHA. 6. State Mental Health Authority SHMA. Thank you. Have a nice day.